And if we went through a process of, a procurement process for the purpose of bringing the borough into compliance
Right.
with local public contract law and pay-to-play laws, which we are totally out of compliance. And so whether it's 6 months or 12 months, I mean, the standard is 12 months. Normally, you can award a contract for less than a year. You can award a contract for any period of time you choose to, but it's what's reasonable and practical. And in the case of practically every day we need an engineer here. We've got several projects ongoing, and we need to have an engineer of record. And this particular firm, any engineering firm that we select as engineer of record, is the engineer that signs documents on behalf of the borough, which we often need that, which oversees, deals with the DEP, the DOT. So we need to have an engineer of record, and we need to be in compliance in the way we're doing it.
And let me just say this, just for the record, Council. And as you know, we have probably outstanding about 7 projects, of which this still doesn't resolve exactly how we're going to handle those 7 projects, but at least it gives us an engineer of record. And we still have to come back to find out how we're going to handle our street paving, our Chestnut Street, all these different projects have to...
I understand that, Mayor, and of course I know CMX is an outstanding engineering firm. And, of course we have a quorum, so we don't have to wait, for Sally, Councilwoman Samuels. However, because she had expressed, so I withdraw the 6-month at this point that I had discussed with you. But I was just trying to be considerate of the fact that she's not here, and she had expressed to myself, and I guess she also expressed to Councilman Holly, that she would like to be a part of that discussion. So, at this point,
Well, the only thing
and there hasn't been any discussion specifically given on any of the other engineering firms, and certainly, I am well aware of CMX's, capabilities and also of their pricing, and I just don't know if that's what all council wants at this time, and that Sally had an opportunity to discuss it. It's up to everybody here.
My question, Madam BA, is that they've been here for like 2 years already.
Right.
So what have they been doing in the process? They haven't been signed?
Well, I believe that there was a procurement in 2006. Was it in 2007?
Yeah, but it's ended
in 2007. But that time has expired. And that's why I said we need to be in compliance.
In 2007, they were the engineers of record.
Yes.
Correct. And what was the time frame? Were they engineers of record from January 1, 2007 to December
I actually
31st?
have literally have not seen that resolution or the contract, but generally it's 1 year.
So generally it's 1 year?
That's correct.
Does CMX know when they was it January to January?
Yes, it was. It's normally done in January at the
so
reorganization meetings.
Okay, then if that's the case, I'm going to go back and amend this and agree they can be engineer of record from January 2008 to...
I don't mean to cut you off, Councilman, but you put a motion on the table.
I know, I did, but everybody went into discussion.
Are you withdrawing that motion?
I withdraw my motion to table.
Continue.
Okay. So if that's the case, their resolution as the engineers of record expired January 1st of this year, 2008. Now, I will agree to make them the engineer of record again from 2008, January, to the end of 2008.
So make it retroactive to January 1st?
Okay, let's get through this.
Okay.
Please.
But do we have any more like this that were done with the RFPs and RFQs
I do.
that are not? Because I would just like us to do that for all of them. And
That would be a good idea.
If they're not...
Do we also
If it's appropriate, we can
Okay.
do that.
Okay.
Some of them it's not going to be appropriate to do that, but if it's appropriate, as we go through them, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Some of them we've already done 90-day extensions twice, and so it varies.
Okay.
So we would want to amend this or make this resolution to
Let someone
January
make the motion to amend it.
So we're ratifying and approving.
I'd like to make a motion to ratify and approve.
Ratify and approve, is that the whole
Well,
motion?
ratify means it's already happened, so that's the January 1st, 2008 till now.
Till December 31st?